Gold and silver traded sideways for the day after a good sharp drop yesterday. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned only below 2664 it's a sell. And what has happened? Gold is seen taking the resistance or the support from the 2664 levels, while on the upside 2674.76 again proven out to be a great resistance. See, this is the beauty of analysis. Same levels what we had discussed few hours back. Do watch that update and do listen to the levels and see how gold has performed with respect to the levels, while silver is also moved towards 2985 levels, the next resistance zone. What to expect now? And see, yes, silver is also respected 2950, that is also mentioned as a greater support. So what to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Can we expect a rise here, or there is a possibility of a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. First, let's have a look at gold on the hourly chart. See, there was a sharp dip here yesterday. We have seen it moving towards 2656.58 zone, and since then we have seen it retracing. Now on the upside, 2674.76 is one zone it needs to break in order to confirm a further rise. Yes, if it stays above 2674.76 zone, you can expect 82.84 as the first target, and beyond that you can expect it to move towards 2690.92. Any movement beyond 2690.92 is a sign of reversal. What is happening here? You can see 2664 levels proving out to be a very good support so far for the day, and we have seen gold hesitating to break below this. Let's see if it breaks below 2664-62 zone. That is the zone which is going to be the prime support zone for the day. Below that again 2658 and lower levels can be seen. But what is happening right now? After the rise, it is trying to form a nice flag, which means if it breaks out now beyond 2674.76, you are looking forward to a good rise in gold prices. Stochastic at bottom, MACD right now trading with little divergence, little bullishness, trying to look upwards. RSI is also trying to look upwards. On the two, the observation is more or less same. See, lows are beautifully connected, and if you connect the highs as well, it is very important for gold to now break beyond 74.76 zone, which should be a very good resistance. Yes, forming the flag, it can give you a breakout later. Today PPI data is also there from US. Definitely that will also add little volatility into the prices here. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is right now at bottom. It is trying to converge, but it is not yet crossed over. I will wait for a crossover here in order to confirm a reversal. RSI flat on the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, look at these 4 candles consolidating here. Yes, it has breached this but moved towards the next support zone, and it is respecting the next support. That is very important. Also, the body size here, see the closer and opening of the candles are at the same zone. Now it is important for gold to now break beyond 74.76 zone. Beyond this, certainly you can say that the bulls will be taking over completely, and then you can expect a bounce back. Why we can see a reversal, why we can see a rise? See, it is also in the near term. What has happened? A good rise, a sharp retracement, and it is right now trading in this channel. The highs of the channel are towards 84.82 zone, which should be a good resistance. The stochastic rising, the MACD is right now trading with moderate bearishness here, looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. The RSI is almost flat. On the 4-hour charts, you can see preceding 2 candles have created lower lows, lower highs, and it is right now closed almost at the same zone from where it is started, ending in a doji here. Now it is also very important for either for gold to break either on the upside or on the downside. So once it is, let's say once it breaks below 2664 levels, what you can expect? You can expect 2660 directly. 2660.58 should be a very good support. Notice this was the point from where we have seen this rise. It has come down to the same position and now trying to consolidate with the support here at 2658.60 zone. That is on the 4-hour charts. Now see, if it breaks on the upside, I will be looking forward to 2680.84 as the next target. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD is right now trading with divergence and bearishness. See, it is running parallel, which means neither the bulls nor the bearishness is, you can say, I do not see an accelerated bullishness or bearishness here, but yes, right now it is continuing this. After the crossover, it is continuing on the sell side here. The RSI is running flat. Coming to the daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship badge. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily charts, I have only one worry point, that see, after forming a symmetrical bearish candle here, see, this was a bullish candle, it has formed a symmetry, it has hit lower lows, and see the preceding to preceding candle was also a swing candle here. So I am looking forward to possibly a zone where it can hit the highs close to 2680 and the lows close to 2654, 55. But once it breaks below this, because see, also notice that the moving averages have crossed over, and since then the prices have traded bullish, and now after delivering four bullish candles, it has delivered one candle. So there is a possibility that if it trades below 26 58 60 zone, we can look forward to a good drop which can take it in fact towards 2650 or lower level. So this is something you should keep an eye on. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is in green trying to converge, it is not yet, the RSI is running flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to now buy 2672 levels, expect 2675 76 as the first target, 2680 as the next, and 2684 85 as the third. If these three levels are taken, stay bullish for 2691 92 levels, and if that is also taken, I think we are looking forward to a reversal where 2700 plus levels should be there. Beyond 2700, it is 2720 22 levels directly in this week itself. While right now the stance is not so aggressively bullish here, and thus if you see it dropping below 2664, you can take a sell. Expect 2660, 2658 levels as the first target, 2654 as the next, 2649, 48 as the third, and then below that 2640 levels should appear, which should be a greater support here on the downside. Uh, Looking at the charts, it appears that there could be a second red candle, but I am still skeptical of such a stronger correction. Let's see. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now silver on the RD chart, see it is consolidated here. It has formed a very good support, very good base here at 2950 levels. Now see, the more time it spends here with the support at 2950, the chances for a rise increases here, and thus it has to now break beyond 29.90 $30 levels, which should be a greater resistance for the day. Any move beyond 29.90 $30 levels should be a good indication that we may see prices moving towards 30.15 30.25 zone, and in fact 30.40 30.50 can be seen, because beyond this it is 31 directly. Let's see if today it gives such a rise. I can see a bit of consolidation going on right now, and silver is not taking a direction as of now. Stochastic has MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, and it is trading with divergence and slight bullishness. The RSI is almost running flat. On the 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, similar observation. See, only thing is it needs to break on the upside, and you can see the more time it is spent here, it has also formed a double bottom, and with that is double bottom, it is trying to bounce back. I see that there is a possibility of prices moving towards $30 levels here. There is a strong possibility to it. You can buy in fact at 29.80 levels itself, where you can expect it to move towards $30 levels possibly, and beyond that I will be looking forward to 30.20. See, it has formed a good support. It can try to rise here, but any draw below 29.50 40, that is the point of time we can confirm now the bears are back, and it is looking forward to a correction. The stochastic has hit highs, while look at the MACD on the 2 hour charts, it has hit the bottom now, crossing over here, which means a slight bullish sign here for the buyers. Yes, it can continue with this little retracement where it can start to deliver smaller greener candles from here and move slowly towards 30 or in fact higher prices. Let's see. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, when you see on the 3 hour chart, slight resistance here, and it is formed a cross here, death cross. But once it breaks beyond this, once it stays above 29.80, that is why I have mentioned, if you see silver, the lower price above 29.80, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 30. 30 should be a greater resistance for it, and this is also an achievable level here. Beyond 30, it is to be treated extremely bullish. Also notice it has formed a very good support here, so possibility of a retracement increases from the current levels. In fact, it can show you a V-shaped recovery here as well, where it can move towards 30.20 30.40 zone. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge, the RSI is flat here. On the 4 hour charts, if you now see on the 4 hour charts, it has started on a flat note trying to look downwards, preceding candle a red candle and a doji rather, I will say, where it can in fact see preceding candle also has shown you a swing, and this candle also, as long as it respects 29.50, chances of reversal will be very high, which means it has strong potential for it to move towards 30 or in fact higher levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish trying to converge a bit, RSI is flat. Coming to now, before we look into daily chart, see it has formed a double bottom here, and now see this is going to remain a prime support zone for the day, 29.50 and 29.40 levels. If at any point of time silver breaks this zone, consider that we are looking forward to a secondary red candle here, which can take it towards the bottom. See what has happened here: rise, retracement, bigger rise, there could be bigger retracement, which can take the prices again towards the bottom, that is 29 or 28.80, and below which you can say that it is going to turn extremely bearish. But right now I can see a double bottom and a bounce back, so I do expect that there is a possibility for silver to move towards 30 or 30.20 levels. And if you see silver breaking beyond 30.50, 30.60 zone, stay bullish for 31 as the next targets. Stock ISIC has dropped, the MACD is in green, trying to converge, the RSI is comfortable. So considering, very simple, buy when you see the lower price in silver above 29.80, expect it to move towards $30 levels as the next targets, and then beyond that we may see 30.15, 30.25 levels the next, and then 30.50, 30.60 zones should be seen. I can see a greater resistance there in silver to be seen. If it breaks beyond 30.40, 30.60 zone, you can then only say that it is turned bullish, and then I will look forward to 31. There is greater hurdle here in this zone, just be mindful of this, and that is only the case if you see a rise here. There are greater hurdles on the upside. On the sell side, now I'll recommend you to sell only and only if you see silver trading below 29.40 levels. 29.50, 29.40 ideally should be a very good support. Below that you can expect it to move towards 29.20 zone, and then in fact it can try to move towards 28.90, 28.80 levels, the next support. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.